In this video, I will be showing you how to create a Twitch banner in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by heading to the search bar on the templates page and typing in Twitch banner. After I hit enter, I can browse through a wide variety of professional templates to find the right look for my channel. There are so many styles to choose from, so I'll take a moment to scroll through and see what stands out. Once I find an illustrative design I like, I'll click on it and select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now that the project is open, I'll go to the Elements tab on the left and search for Offline to find some additional graphics. I'll scroll through the results until I find the right illustration and click to add it to my design. I'll then drag the new graphic over to the left side and resize it to fit the space. Next, I'll double-click the main text and change the name to Offline. I'll also scale the text up and adjust the placement of the subtext to make sure everything looks clean and centered. Now the banner is perfectly customized for my stream. Thanks for watching.